me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we get on. Life could be a dream.
So where are we?
Disneyland.
Where
Oh, if you will tell me
Eat Swedish Pirates, and now we're going to Haunted Mansion. It's gonna be dope.
What are we doing?
What? I said it's gonna be dope.
What is?
Haunted Mansion.
Oh, it is.
You got it. You just come back here and scan it again.
Can you drop us down to like 45 here?
Dope.
Nailed it.
That's so different compared to ours. What? Weird.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout
So
the
bright.
voyage.
It's a bright world.
I can't. It's a bright world. Say hi, Mom. Donald! Crying right in front of you. Oh my god. He wasn't even waiting.
I didn't know I could yell that.
This is so cute! Guys, where are we going next? Oh, they're too busy. What are we doing?
What are we?
Splash Mountain! Splash Mountain!
Gotta test out that hyper smooth, right?
Yeah. Living our best life.
Living the best
Great
life.
time.
The best. Chris, hands and feet inside the ride at all times.
Okay.
Where are we going? Grandma's house. No, here.
Indiana Jones!
Indiana Jones. I was wrong.
Do you though? Do you really? Indiana Jones, 10 out of 10, definitely must do. Right?
Right.
Right.
Totally.
The famous spicy pickle. It's not that bad.
Okay.
Not that spicy. Maybe it's just because I can't taste anything because I'm sick.
Feel it?
But I hear them, they're coming. We got separated. So I rode by myself on the Space Ranger ride where we're shooting things. I hear them. They're fast walking. So we're gonna go get our pictures. Oh my god, you crossed it.
Are you okay? Hey, Minnie. Minnie! No! You're not fat. Stop. She's seriously saying she's putting on weight. She's concerned.